Hi, and welcome to my channel where I upload videos of myself and my projects that I'm working on. And I like to share everything I'm working on at the moment, whether it be a game or a application or a video editing content. I like to share my work with you, and if that is interesting to you, then I hope you subscribe and continue watching. But for those that know me from my past, I used to do drone video reviews, and I've since got past that phase of my life, and I've gone on to other things like AI. And I don't think I'll be going back to drones anytime soon unless I combine it with AI, which is very doable. But I'm no longer interested in drones at the moment. So I've moved on to bigger and better things and less expensive. As you may know, it's a very expensive hobby, drones. But anyway, well, I hope you enjoy the content that I'll be bringing you soon with the AI programming and all the AI stuff that I'll be doing, whether it be video editing or programming. So hope you guys stay and subscribe. And thank you for watching. See ya.